Okay, can I record my video now? You can't lick makeup. Okay, okay. What is up, you guys? It is your favorite angel, the Melanin Angel, and we back with another wig review video, okay? And where did I get this wig? Where else? You know how I love Amazon. That's my spot, y'all. It's kind of like back in the day when eBay used to be the spot. Well, today Amazon is my spot, okay? If it looks a little familiar to some of you guys, this is the same hair I worn in my glitter cut crease makeup tutorial, which the link will be down in the description box. If you want to, feel free, go ahead and watch that video, okay? This is that same hair. This is the hair and then like it's tamed stage, okay? And I'm going to show you guys a couple pictures and videos as to why I call this the tamed version of the hair. We're going to go ahead and talk about the pros, the cons, do I recommend purchasing this wig, and I'm going to give you a couple of my Amazon tips and tricks when shopping there so you get a quality product. Alright, so without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video. The vendor is Cheetah Beauty. This is their 18-inch kinky curly Brazilian human hair wig, 150 density, pre-plucked with baby hairs. Now, I've had the hair for a couple months and I don't really remember it being, you know, pre-plucked with baby hairs that well, because I did have to go in and pluck the hair, but I don't think I had to go and pluck the hair like a whole bunch. Definitely some key parts, you know, when it comes to the hairline. As far as the pros, this hair is very soft, okay? Very much gives natural texture. Very much gives the curls for the girls, alright? I remember when I wore this hair on campus, because I was on campus when I received the hair, and my friends were just like, okay, yes, I see you, big hair, don't care. I'm like, you already know, okay? This has become definitely one of my favorite wigs. Even this is one of my like get up and go type of wigs. And you're probably like, Kinky Curly don't get up and go, but this wig does right here. All right, all I do is make sure my part is clean, throw some water on my hands or some mousse, and I'm good to go out the door. Okay, all you gotta do is either wet the hair, wet your hand, and you're good to go. Go ahead, go through it, no snags, and it's no problem. To get my hair in this kind of stage where the curls are very much popping, I finger combed it with water and conditioner and put a little mousse on the top to get any like flyaways or things like that. But the cons have to be stated, okay? I'm gonna keep it a buck, I'm gonna keep it a bean, I'm gonna keep it 100. The cons are nothing. I honestly do not have any cons with this hair. It's lasted me through a couple months. The curls still pop. It's no tangling. It's no shedding, honestly. It just acts like perfect kinky curly hair, alright? Now some of you might be wondering, how come this girl ain't never got no cons when it come to her hair? Let me tell you why. I am a professional Amazon shopper, okay? I know how to get a quality product at a good price, a reasonable price. And I'm gonna give you guys some of those tips and tricks right now. So the first tip we have has to do with the search filters, okay? Whenever you search for a product on Amazon, you wanna click two things. Prime, if you're a Prime member, because it's definitely worth it to be a Prime member. And you wanna click 4 stars and above. Do not purchase a product from Amazon that is not at least 4 stars, okay? Those 3 stars, 2 star stuff, we want to leave those in the trash. We ain't gonna do that, okay? 4 stars and above, only products. The second thing has to do with the ratings and reviews. So what you want to do is right next to these stars has a number. That number is how many people have rated the product. I personally do not like getting a product that does not have at least 1,000 ratings on it. Why? Because 1,000 ratings mean at least 1,000 people got the product, and on average they all rated it 4 stars, okay? Those people are all over the world, use the product for different purposes and have had different experiences, but overall they've all had at least a 4-star experience. What you do not want to do do not want to do is purchase a product that has 5 stars, but only 5 people have rated it. There's no consistency. There's not enough consistency. Okay, 5 people compared to like 800 people. I will listen to the 800 rather than the 5 for all these reasons. The second or third, fourth, I lost count at this point, thing you want to do is go to the reviews, okay? You're looking for 2 things in the reviews. One is the keywords. A lot of times Amazon will show you the keywords that a lot of the reviews have. You want to look for positive words, obviously. You do not want to purchase a product whose key phrase is waste of money. You don't want to purchase that. When it comes to wig and hairs, you want to look for words like receive many compliments, soft, tangle free. You want things like that. The second thing about the reviews is the pictures. In the pictures, you want to make sure the product, the hair, looks relatively the same in all the pictures. Meaning that if you see one picture, right, and somebody has the hair on and it's giving, it's flowing, it's bouncy, it's doing everything it needs to be done, alright? That's good. And then if you go to the picture next to that where someone else has the hair and you see it's all thin and it's just not doing what needs to be done, that shows inconsistency in the product, okay? You want to make sure a good amount of the pictures, the product looks the same. It's giving in all the pictures, alright? But here's the real golden nugget right here. This is the golden nugget. This is what you need to do if you really want that quality product, okay? Go on YouTube and you want to search the product, okay, and look for reviews on it, kind of like you're doing right now, you know. If you hear from Amazon, what's up, what's good, that's what you want to do, because a lot of time Amazon reviews are very, very honest. It's cutthroat, which is what I give y'all, especially if they're like not sponsored or whatever. This review is not sponsored, so yeah. So they're just gonna bump while I'm recording now. Cool. Like I was saying, YouTube is your best friend, and I can be your best friend, but yeah. So that concludes the review, the tips and tricks for this hair. Hope you guys learned something. The golden nuggets I have given you, feel free to do with them how you please. Use them, don't use them. It's cool with me, it's cool with me. Do not forget to socially distance, self-quarantine, wash your hands, wear your mask, okay? Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video, to this channel. It would be greatly appreciated. It really would. Also, do not forget to follow me on all of my social medias. They will be in the description box or right after my little salutation at the end of this video. It is your favorite angel, the Melanin Angel, signing out. I will see you guys later.